Oh, a little lizard. All right, guys, so it is an absolutely gorgeous day out, and if you're new to the channel, this is my Charger RT. It has long tube headers, a cam in there, 3-inch MagnaFlow catback exhaust, 392 intake manifold, and a bunch of other smaller goodies. But today what we're going to do is help my buddy Gabe out. He is trying to load up an emailed tune. So I know I've made a video in the past about this, but I could probably explain it a little bit more clear. And this is something that's extremely easy, guys. So if you're looking for an emailed tune, don't be intimidated by this process. It's extremely simple. And you know, there's a lot of guys out there that don't have a reputable performance shop, and an emailed tune is a really good avenue for you to go. So with that being said, what I'm going to do is take you guys through the process, and hopefully this helps anybody that's looking into it out. I've done it many of times for this charger, and so let's see how it goes for this one. All right, guys, so the first step is making sure that you have the proper cable, okay? That comes with your tuner, and you're gonna need a PC, not a Mac. I've made this mistake in the past. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this and you're gonna plug it into your computer, and we're gonna do that right now. There should be a little touch here to begin to interact demo mode. Okay, should pop up here. There we go. Entering demo mode. All right, guys, so once you're in demo mode, you should see T2. You're gonna click on this, and then you have tunes. Now, if you double click on tunes, you should see the stock tune that you're gonna send to your emailed tuner, okay? Regardless of which one that you have, these are the files that they're gonna need. And then once you take these, you drag and drop it onto your desktop, email it to them, and then they're going to email you back tunes that you're going to load up on your tuner device. So this is what your tuner will likely end up sending you, and there will be a attached file that you're going to have to drag onto your tuner device. So it's pretty straightforward. You just click the download button, and then you grab the file and basically just load it right up. You don't put it in the tunes file, just directly load it right onto the T2. And then you should get this message on your T2 device. Hit the continue button, and there's your tune. Now, the final step would be plugging your device into your car and then loading up the tune to your PCM so that you could actually use it. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you the last step just so that it's super clear. So really, when you load up your tune, you're going to want to go to tuning. And you're going to click the custom tuning option. And when you load up your tune. Now, this device does not have any custom tunes loaded up to it because I went with a dyno tune, but the other T2 that we were working on would have the tune right here. So it's as simple as that. You would click on it and then hit the install button and you're good to go. So, you know, it's very, very straightforward, guys. So if you're really looking into an emailed tune, this is something that, you know, you really don't have to be a computer whiz or anything like that in order to do this. Now, I have to say that if you have a 2015 and prior, you have to make sure that you install an Unlocked Pcm. That's extremely important because what's going to happen is you're going to go to write the files from the tuner onto the PCM and it's going to get denied. Okay, the PCM will tell this that the files were not able to be written. There'll be an error code, so always remember that this is basically a hard drive. It's a middleman between the tunes that are on the computer and its job is to transfer them onto your PCM so that you can drive around with it, yada yada yada. So you know what, guys, I really hope this all helps, and that, you know, I don't know, if you have any questions, definitely make sure you put them in the comments below. You know, I'm really just trying to help people out in the tuning world. I know not everybody has access to a really good performance shop, so, you know, anything that I could do to help and whatnot so that you guys can keep modding, that is my goal. So all right, guys, the rest of the footage is gonna be of me installing a PCM. This way anybody with a 2015 and newer will have a better understanding of where the PCM is and just how easy it actually is. All right, first, guys, gotta undo the negative of the battery. This is my awesome sidekick right here, Mr. Lou.
That thing does audio too?
Yep. And you're gonna undo these right here, and we're gonna pull out the PCM.
Do you remember taking this thing?
Yeah, I think we did take that out.
It would make sense, but I don't remember doing it. Is this bolt all the way to the ground?
I think so. Just don't drop it. There we go.
That can go like that.
Okay.
So the tan one.
Yep.
That one's going to be the cute one.
Okay. So you hang on to the one that the tan one goes on. Okay.
You're going to have to do that one first.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. Okay. And there it is. There it is, folks.
You want to try the throttle first or no?
Yeah, actually, let's before we try anything, hold on. Keep this here. This is the old one. There's a set of instructions that you gotta go. Okay. So now I have to put the battery back. Remove the negative terminal. Okay, past that. And that's that, Lou.